Hello, this video is about the advanced child tax credits that some individuals received back in 2021. This video will break down if you received that child tax credit back in 2021, will you or will you not have to repay it back when you file your 2021 tax return this year? So we're going to break this down. To shine more light on this situation, January 2022, the IRS will start sending letter 6419. It's going to have information on how much advanced child tax credit you received back in 2021. You guys are going to need to hang on to this letter prior to filing your tax return for 2001. You're going to need the information off of IRS letter 6419. It's going to give a whole breakdown of how much advanced child tax credit you received back in 2021. So who qualified for the 2021 advanced child tax credit? The IRS used taxpayers' 2019 or 2020 tax return. Now, if they qualify for the child tax credit during those filing years, the 2021 advanced child tax credit was given to those individuals. So if you're one of the millions of Americans last year in 2021 who received these monthly advanced child tax credits, this video will clear the air on whether or not you would have to repay that advanced child tax credit when you file your 2021 tax return. This video is about excess child tax credit that individual may have received back in 2021. So you ask, what is excess child tax credit? Excess child tax credit is the individuals who received more child tax credit back in 2021 that was monthly advanced to them. That amount over exceeds their 2021 tax return child tax credit amount. If you are in this situation, you may or may not have to repay this back to the IRS. And let's get this information out there also. Child tax credit and earned income credit are two different things. They're not the same thing. So don't even worry about it. Don't worry that, oh, I'm losing my earned income credit. No, it's two different things. You have child tax credit, then you have earned income credit. It's two different tax credits. If you're one of the individuals that received advanced child tax credit back in 2021, the IRS has put in place certain guidelines that may give you repayment protection. It all depends on your AGI for 2021. It depends on your adjusted gross income for 2021. Now, here are some guidelines that may give you repayment protection for those advanced child tax credits you received back in 2021. And here are those income guidelines that IRS has put in place for individuals that can qualify for repayment protection on those advanced 2021 child tax credits if it over exceeded their 2021 tax credit. Now, basically, for individuals who are married filing joint, your income cannot exceed $60,000. Those for individuals that are filing married, filing joint, or if you're filing as a qualifying widower, your income cannot exceed $60,000 for 2021. Now, for all my head of the household individuals, your income cannot exceed $50,000. If you make more than $50,000, you will not qualify for repayment protection. And lastly, this is for my single or married filing separate taxpayers. If your income exceeded $40,000, payment protection will not be given to you. And those are the IRS guidelines according to 2021 AGI, adjusted gross income, that can give the individual taxpayer repayment protection from those 2021 advanced tax credits. There are some taxpayers who received the advanced child tax credit back in 2021 will not qualify for repayment protection, will not qualify. And the IRS put in place certain guidelines for individuals that will not qualify for child tax credit repayment protection, will not. Now, for individuals that will not qualify for this repayment protection are as follows. If you were married filing joint and your income back in 2021 exceeded $120,000, you will not qualify for any advanced child tax credit repayment protection. You won't qualify. Head of household filers, anybody who filed head of household, if back in 2021 your AGI was $100,000 or more, you won't qualify for repayment protection. The IRS won't give it to you. And last, if you are filing single or married filing separate and your income was $80,000 or more, repayment protection will not be given to you also. You won't get repayment protection if your income fall in between those guidelines. Now, if you're one of the individuals back in 2021 who qualified for the advanced child tax credit but didn't get it, when you file your 2021 tax return this year, you're eligible to get that credit. But you're going to have to file your 2021 tax return in order to see if you qualify to get that that child tax credit that you didn't take back in 2021. Now, back in 2021, if your advanced child tax credits over exceeded the amounts that you will be given on your 2021 tax return, if you meet within those guidelines I just spoke about, the IRS will not make you repay those advanced tax credits you received back in 2021. So to answer that question again, if back in 2021, if my monthly advanced child tax credit over exceed my 2001 tax credit amount that's allowed to me, would I have to pay that back? That's the question. The answer is yes and no. Some people will have to pay it back, some people won't. Now, to recap, we just discussed those advanced child tax credits individuals received back in 2021. Key note, if you received any advanced child tax credit back in 2021, the IRS are sending out letters to everybody who received those advanced monthly payments. That'll be letter 6419 that should be coming in January 2022. It's going to show the breakdown of how much money you received during 2021. You're going to need this information to file your tax return for 2021. So make sure you hang on to that form 6419. In summary, if you did receive more advanced child tax credit back in 2021, now you realize your 2021 child tax credit does not meet what you received back in 2021, you may still not have to repay back all that money. You may not have to pay back all the money. And if the IRS does tell you have to pay it back, the IRS has certain arrangements for you to be able to pay that back. So don't get all hysterical about it. It's really not that serious. You can contact the IRS. And to verify all my information, please visit irs.gov for the full breakdown of the advanced child tax credit and repayment. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.